In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect 12-volt LED light to battery. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Setting up and using your 12-volt LED light in conjunction with a battery is simple. To establish this connection, what you will have to do is connect the positive wire from the LED to the positive terminal of the battery. And then you do the same with the negative terminal of the LED light to the negative terminal of the battery. And as soon as you have them connected together with the polarity good to go, you will be able to use them. For a more convenient setup, you can include an inline switch between the battery and the light. The inline switch will allow you to turn it on or off in demand. Make sure to include it between this connection here, and you will be able to use it with ease. So it is a straightforward process, but you must ensure that your specific LED light is designed to handle the battery's voltage safely. Many 12-volt LED products like LED strips are designed for automotive or RV use. They often have built-in resistors and are intended to be connected directly to a 12-volt DC power source. So always check the LED light type. And for the essential components, like I said, this is going to include the light itself, the battery, wire, and recommended are some fuses. An inline fuse on the positive wire to protect the circuit and the battery from short circuits altogether. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.